Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn about very interesting topic. You know what we are going to learn? Okay, again no. Actually, in the last class we have learned the place value and face value, and after that we have learned the fraction, right? So in the middle there's a 2-3 chapters are there. So this topic which I am going to teach you, that is a very different topic. Actually this topic is related to the fraction as well as place value and face value. So let's start with the date. So today's date, you know the today's date, very nice, 20 April, and subject which we are going to learn, that is the maths, right? And your class 4 standard, and topic we will let you know. Now students, we have already learned about the tens, ones, 100, 1000, this type of place value we have already learned, right? Suppose if I am giving you some 2-digit number, so are you able to tell me which is the tens, which is the ones? Let's take example of 23. Okay, now number 23. Now tell me, Ria, which is the tens place? Yes, very nice. The number in the number 23, the 2 is the tens place and 3 is the ones place. Very good, well done. Now sit. So students, you have seen this is the only 2-digit number. If I am giving you 3-digit number like 1000, let's take the example of 1000. Now in the example of the 1000, we will see that in the place value chart. Now here I am making a place value chart for your better understanding. So this is the ones, tens, 100 and 1000, right? So this, the first 0 is represent the ones value, and second 0 represent the tens value, and the 100 0 that is the 3 number 0 is represent the 100, and 1000 place which represent the 1. Okay, so students, if we are going to divide this 1000 number by the 10 number, then what we will get? So the 1000 number divided by the 10 number, we will get the 100, because 1010 will deducted, right? So we will get the 1000 number. Now again we are going to place this 100 number to the place value chart. Now we have 3-digit number, ones, tens, 100, but we will write the 1000, but we know there is no place of 1000, but we will make it, right? So in the number 100, in the 0, in the ones place we have 10, in the tens place we have the 0, and 100 place we have the 1. Now again, if we are going to divide this 100 number to the 10, then what will happen? We will get the 10 number, right? And 10 number is again 2-digit number, right? So what we will observe? We will observe whenever we divide the number to the 0, then every time 1 is shifted towards the right side. 1 is shifted to the right side. So in the 1000 number, 1 was placed in the 1000 place, but when we divide with the 10, the 100, the 10, next 10 is divided by the 100 divided by the 10. Now again this 1 is shifted to the right and comes on the 100 place, right? Now what we will see, we continuously observe that every time we divide with the 10, 1 is shifted towards the right place. Very nice. And what about the 0? And 0 is take off. 0 वहां से हटता जा रहा है, ठीक है? So now the number became 10. again if we divide this 10 number with the 10 number, then what will happen? 1 will come. 10 ones are 10. So what will come? 1 number. Now if we place this 1 number to the place value chart, we will see what we will see? We will see that 1 represent on the ones place. Now continuously again 1 shifted to the right side and now it's come to the 1. Right? Now students see. And 0 is take off. Now 1000, 100 and 1. Every time 1 is shifted to its right side. Okay. Now what will happen if we divide this 1 again to the 10? If we divide this 1 again to the 10 number, then let's see. Now this 1 is divided by the 10 number. What I see? Now its value became point 1. This point is called the decimal. ये जो point यहाँ पे आया, उस point को हम decimal कहते हैं. ठीक है? So today's topic is decimal. So class, this decimal we are going to see how it will come and how it related with the place value and place value as well as the fraction. Now suppose if you are dividing the 1 upon 2, we will read 1 upon 10 or 1 upon 1 by 10, right? So if we are dividing the 1 number with the 10 number, so we will get the point 1, right? Now again we are going to place this 0.1 number in the place value chart. Now have a look. How can we write? Now we all are known that is the first will come ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, then tens place, and then 1000 place. Now ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. Now this is the decimal. I am writing in the short because there is a less space. Decimal and the value which will come afterwards, and the decimal, and after the decimal we will write the tens place. TENTHS, tens place, 10th place. Okay. So now let's look 0.1. Now here will come 0.1. So we will write at the place of decimal, that is point and 1, because it is the place on the tens. So we will write the T here. Okay. Now can you see? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Till here you have understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, students, because I am teaching with the related with the decimal with the 2 topics. Okay. So now students, can you see how we can represent this 10 number in the form of picture? Let's see. So this is the box. This is the box, and we will divide this box into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And this 0.1 means point, we want to represent the 0.1, that is also 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon, kaisa hai 0.1, that is 1 upon 10 is equal to 1.1, right? So now we will represent if anything have, suppose this is the packet of biscuit and I'll divide this packet of biscuit into 10 equal parts. Now we want to represent the 1 upon 10. So we will only do the represent the one part that is also on the place of upside, right, the number. So 1 upon 10, or we can say that 0.1. So 0.1 we can represent as the picture of 1. In the same thing which is also happen, that is 1 upon 100. If anything is divided with the 100 times, so we will do only color at the one part and accordingly we will represent. So we can take the several type of activity on the decimal. So one of the activity I am going to tell you, that is the representation of your electricity bill as well as your demand bill. In the demand and electricity bill, the value it should also come on the sometimes in points. So we can also show the students and tell their how it will correlated with the daily life. So thank you so much.